Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to deal with high metabolism rate. That is what to do if my metabolism is very high, whatever I eat it just get quickly digested and all the time I keep feeling hunger and I am not able to gain my body weight. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. In Ayurveda, there is a condition of the body that has been mentioned as Bhasmak Rog. Bhasmak means whatever you eat that gets quickly burnt in the body. That doesn't mean it gets digested well, because if the food that you are eating, if it gets digested well, then it will nourish your body. Then there will be no problem of gaining weight. But in this specific condition, what happens, whatever you eat that got burnt in Ayurveda terminology, or in modern terminology, that means the metabolism is so high that you are not able to gain weight. You feel very confused, like I am eating so much but still my body is very lean and very thin. It is good to have thin body, but in some people there is the body is very thin, not enough weight the body has, and that also not looks beautiful. How we can deal with this situation? One thing, people are very happy that they have a lot of hunger, but at the same time they are very worried also, like they are not able to gain weight. So let's see how Ayurveda deals with this situation or Bhasmak Rog. So let's try to understand how in Ayurveda this situation has been mentioned, how to deal with this situation. In these people who have this problem, like who always feel hunger, they have also another problem, that is constipation. The reason for excess hunger and the reason for constipation is same. That is too much heat in the system, high metabolic rate. And in this situation, it is not the food get quickly digested, because if the food gets digested, when we use digestion in Ayurveda, it is called Ahar Pak, then it will nourish your dhatus, it will nourish your tissues. But if food gets burnt, in Ayurveda language, not gets digested, then no aharas, that is no essence of food has been produced, and it will not nourish your tissues, which results in very thin built and constipation also in some cases. Now, as I mentioned, this problem is because of excess heat in the system, that is excess pitta. So what we need to do according to Ayurveda, we need to lower down this pitta. How it can be done? By enhancing the kapha dosh in the system. Kapha dosh means the thing that provides bulkiness to your body, that provides lubrication to your body, that provides glow to your body. So these are the functions of kapha dosh. When I am saying kaph, it is not the western kaph, C-O-U-G-F, that is not this kaph, that is mucus. This kaph is the thing that lubricates your body, like vata, pitta, kapha in their physiology. So regarding this, what we should avoid if we have such situation? We should avoid all the tea, coffee and all the things that produce dryness in the system, like tea. Tea is very dry. Tea is very dry in nature. Coffee is also very dry in nature. Ice cream is very dry in nature. All the chocolates are very dry in nature. So if you are having this situation, you need to avoid these things for some time. In addition to that, decrease the use of spices, because spices also enhance digestive fire. All the spices, you just minimize the use of spices, especially the hot spices like pepper, ginger and turmeric. These spices you should take very little if you have such disease. Avoid excessive exercise, avoid excessive going to the gym, avoid excessive exertion. If you are doing a lot of exertion hoping like it will get well, it will not happen like this. You need to rest down sometime. You need to take rest, enough rest. Make sure have your dinners early so that you can sleep early and on time. And but in these cases also this happen, like you don't feel sleepy at night because a lot of heat in the system and imbalanced vata dosha. It's very important, focus on your diet, focus on your lifestyle, and in diet the things that you should add, that is butter, that is ghee, that is milk. I know if you are vegan, for you it's difficult, but those people who are not vegan, they can try it out. But make sure the cow milk and the cheese and milk products I am mentioning, they should be homemade. The milk should not be some packed milk, tinned milk, canned milk. The milk should be some home who have their own cow and they are treating cow as family member, like love bond should be there. This cow's milk is beneficial. If it is black cow, it's more beneficial. It is according to ancient sciences. So this milk is very kapha enhancing and it is very beneficial for your health, especially if the cow is grazing by herself herbs in the fields or not on some fodder diet. That's why I mentioned from the person who is taking care of cow, like a family member. This kind of milk you should use according to Ayurveda, not other kind. So this is one thing. But if there is no possibility of milk in your place, then you can use a lot of fruits, seasonal fruits, sweet fruits. They are very beneficial in such cases. And they enhances the kapha dosha in the system, they enhances the glow in your body. So in the morning you can have big bowl of fruits if you also have this problem. It will also remove your constipation eventually, because it will not happen like yesterday you ate a lot of fruits and next day you are expecting results. It will not happen so quickly, but you just change lifestyle. It will take a time of 1 week and eventually you will start seeing little changes in your body and you will start feeling well. So just do like this. In addition to that, add butter to your diet. Butter, which butter? Homemade butter, that is also very beneficial. Use homemade cheese, that is also very beneficial. And takra, regarding takra and curd, I have already created videos on my channel, so please go through my channel and just watch these videos. You will get a lot of information regarding takra. It is called lassi. So this thing you can use, buttermilk. Yes, lassi means buttermilk. So this thing is very beneficial. Regarding buttermilk also I have created videos, so please you watch it and see how it's beneficial. So in these cases curd is not recommended, but buttermilk is recommended because it's cooling in potency. So these things you can use. In addition to that, you can use palm sugar, that is also very beneficial for balancing the heat in the system. All the citrus fruits you can use. In addition to that, a lot of fruits, and shift to 50% of your food as raw food and 50% as freshly organically cooked food, and you need to consume it within 1 hour of cooking. In addition to that, avoid the use of garlic, ginger, because these two things also are very hot in potency, and if you already have excessive heat in the system, they are not so good for your body. So these are the things that you need to do, and this is the only thing where you can also try some sweet dish like kheer in India, that is we make the sweet dish of milk and rice, that is called kheer. If you search the recipe online, you will quickly get. So this is the recommended sweet dish in this. But make sure don't use sugar in kheer, use jaggery, that is healthier alternative. In addition to that, you can also have dates with milk. These are also very beneficial in such cases. You try it out and you will see the results in couple of days. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I can schedule this for you. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, bye.